what a way to start the day. What the? Whoa! Hold your horses. I've never seen footprints like this before. Those are no squirrel prints. It's something a million times bigger than a squirrel. And if it is a squirrel, it must be a dino squirrel. I knew it. I knew this day would come. Ah! Eggs! Dinosaur eggs. I knew dinosaurs would surface and show themselves sooner or later. I mean, I love dinosaurs, but we have to take cover. I have to warn everyone. Mrs. O, forest, footprints, the eggs, big roar, smoothie, vibrating, shaking, going this way.
What? Wild guy, calm down. What are you trying to say?
I'm saying that there is something that could only be a dinosaur in the forest, crashing through the trees on its way here. We have to take cover.
This is quite the situation we found ourselves in. I'm not screaming, even though every feather in my body is telling me to. Why am I screaming?
Because we don't have time. Are you making sandwiches?
Yes. Jam. Would you like one? Maybe we'll have them in my secret hiding bunker when the dinosaurs come. Now, did the footprint look like a Triceratops footprint by any chance?
Now that you mention it, it did look a little bit Triceratopsy. Sounded like one too.
And the eggs you mentioned, are you sure they weren't from a bird's nest?
I'm sure. They were this big.
Interesting.
Ah!
Everybody hide in my bunker as soon as possible!
Ah! 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 And then I told Mrs. O about the eggs and the footprints and the roar. And she said that we should all go over to her house so we can hide in her bunker.
Oh, a real dinosaur? I can't believe it. Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. I think. Seamus, the eggs, they were like this size. And the footprints and the roars, they were definitely dino roars.
I've never met a real dinosaur before. But maybe it's a friendly dinosaur. Or maybe it's not so friendly. Oh, but there's only one dinosaur that I'm really afraid of.
Which is?
Well, the most gruesome, monstrous, ferocious creature that I've ever painted. The Tyrannosaurus Rex! Now, there's only one thing that I need to know. How big were the footprints? And how many toes did it have? Did it have 3 toes?
Well, the eggs were this size. And the footprints were this size. It had 3 toes! Dr. Tubes!
Hey, what's up?
Okay, don't panic.
Okay.
I have some news that may scare you, but just relax and don't panic because everything is going to be okay. I think.
What is it? Tell me.
Okay. There is a dino invasion. We're being invaded by dinosaurs.
Oh, cool. I love dinosaurs. kind of dinosaur?
A Tyrannosaurus Rex? No, a Triceratops. I think. I'm not really sure.
Well, a surprise. I'm looking forward to meeting them. I'll play them some dino tunes.
What did I see? I can't remember properly. When I spoke to Mrs. Ellington, I was sure it was a Triceratops. Then when I spoke to Seamus, I was sure it was a Tyrannosaurus Rex.